Yeah, big up my peeps. Yeah, no say me there and say yo, just not do some work, but get all hungry again, Yeah, man. So I say yo, me I cook some rice and peas on some wood fire. I show you how I go on. Rice and peas on wood fire. Yeah, man. I show you say yo, rice and peas on the wood fire thing, Yeah, man. I got carrot, garlic, rice, peas, coconut, scallion and thyme. And this I pot. Yeah. So showing on the fire. Right, this is me cook it. Right on the roast breadfruit fire. Outdoor style. Alright, catch me back when me light the fire. You guys wanna see rice and peas cook on the fire. Outdoor on the wood fire. Yeah. Just got the fire like a short while ago. That's where I'm gonna cook the rice and peas. Right here. And this is me catching up the fire outdoors. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I just want to make it burn now, look like. And then we're gonna put them thing here together in this pot on the fire. Right there. I'm gonna break this and get the milk out of this. Get the milk out of this. This is the key right here. Yeah, young people, look on the fire now. Fire ready, Burn on little, So, I did wash the peas still and put it in the pot. So now I go put it on the wood fire. Yeah, real Jamaican thing. Just like up a video and share the video. You can comment and let me know what you think. You see it. Yeah, these are peas. Ready for go on the fire now. Put it on the fire. Yeah, this white stuff and some fab and put on it, some washing soap, some Jamaican washing soap. Yeah, just rub it around it. Yeah, I could use ashes too, or sun, or dirt, but I just use the fab. So that will make it wash off easy if it block up. Now I'm going to cover the pot and put some seasoning in it and make it boil and cook. Yeah, now I'm going to put a little salt in it for it to boil up, for it to boil faster. Now I'm going to get a little start. Yeah, start to change color already. Yeah. Hot. Cover it back now. Yeah, I'll go ahead and peel some of them throw in it. You can boil with the peas. Yeah, this is garlic. I'll go ahead and put some in it. Yeah, start boil already. Yeah, this is the coconut. This is the coconut. I'll go ahead and grate it. Yeah, I'm gonna grate it and get the milk out of it. And then it come out of this dried coconut. Go ahead and get the milk out of it. Yeah, let's see how I go on the fire now. See how I go on the fire. Yeah, cause like to do it thing to boil. To boil. To go and do it thing. But you want more fire still. You want fire seals. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Just like up the video. Yard man thing. Like and share. Alright, my people. This is coconut, you know. Go ahead and grate it. Get the milk out of this. So from this, look at this, to this. So I go ahead and grate this. Now I'm going to add some water on it to get the milk out of it. I'm going to add some water on it right now. Yeah, so catch me when I throw it in the pot. Yeah, my people. See, finished product after the coconut juice. That is it. So I'm going to throw this in the pot. This is the coconut milk. I'm going to throw it on the peas and let it cook. So like up the video and subscribe. Okay? Yeah, my people. Yeah. I'm going ahead throw the coconut milk in the pot, you know. Still. But I'm just give a little tour of the yard. Later, let's check it. Oh, yeah, good, you know. Like it cook, you know. Go ahead and join the coconut milk in it. Yeah. It is full. Yeah, this is a coconut milk. Look at it. Yeah, beautiful. Make that cook some more. Then we throw in some seasonings, throw in some rice. So catch one man throw in the rice. Okay? Yeah, this is some chopped scallion, pepper, and thyme. Yeah, make that boil a little. Then we're going to throw in the rice. Huh? Go and catch up before some more see, but that good still. Yeah, that's great. Time for throwing the rice now. On it. Wow. Yeah. Can chew in the rice now, huh? Yeah, time for chewing this rice now. Right in there, right in there. I make that cook. Yeah. Make that cook. What do I cook it? Eat all of the star. Alright, see the peas them? Peas and cook till them burst. So it's a rice and peas for cook. Jamaican style. Peas them have a burst. Yeah, stir it up. All of the season them. Yeah. Look at that. It's like up a video. Yeah. Look at it, man. Check what I'm going on. Yeah. It's a strange spread of people.